So hello guys, today I'm gonna make a short review on Xperia metal magnetic charging cable or third generation magnetic charging cable. And as you can see, put this box, and you gotta find just a normal cable. Only except that it has metal head with a brand new LED and some stronger magnet. And then I just connect to the USB cable like normal. Okay, gonna plug it in. This cable can be used for Z1, Z1 compact, Z2, Z3 and Z3 compact. So this Xperia Z1, this the metal charging dock, and like just snap it in and it just sits firmly in it. That's kind of like, as you can see, there's an LED. Wait, you can turn it on. So it's charging, as you can see. Charge light. So when it is a smart LED because when you are charging, it will be red, and when it's full, it's going to be blue in color. So just sub it. And also, this it just makes your phone like in docking, so you can enable landscape mode like this. So you don't really need dock to just like, you can see move is like just sits firmly, although you can't really dig it like. But overall, it's worth every penny, as because when you're using the normal USB charging cable, it will eventually ruin your waterproof because the rubber seal at your micro USB flap will eventually tear off or wear off. So it's kind of like you gotta buy this thing. Eventually you're going to need it, right? So that's it for review. And yeah, it costs around like 10 bucks only, or 48 ringgit Malaysia. So that's for today. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe me later. Thank you.